Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make these no-bake Rocky Road chocolate bars. Absolutely fantastic, easy to make, yet delicious to eat. The ingredients you're going to need is 3 cups of miniature marshmallows, 4 cups of your rice cereal, 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you may substitute with white chocolate chips or milk chocolate chips, which I'm doing today, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup of salted or unsalted butter, and 1 cup of butterscotch chips. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to make. In a 3 to 4 quart saucepan over medium-low heat, I'm adding that 1/2 cup of butter that I've cubed with those chocolate chips and those butterscotch chips. Stir this around until the butter and the chips have melted completely. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes, so take your time. Don't turn your heat up too high because you don't want burnt chocolate in your no-bake Rocky Road chocolate bars. Now that the butter and the chips have melted, we're going to remove this off the heat. Add all that peanut butter, and the residual heat in the butter and the chocolate will make this peanut butter melt so smoothly in with our chocolate and butter here. You're going to continue stirring. Fold it over, fold it in. Now that it's looking like this, we're going to add our Rice Krispies with the marshmallows. We want to make sure we get them all out of there. Fold it in with our chocolate mixture. You just keep working it. It'll take a few minutes, but they'll all be blended. Look how scrumptious that is. This is ready for its 13 by 9 inch pan that I'm going to lightly butter with our butter wrapper because we don't want our no-bake Rocky Road chocolate bars sticking to the sides or the bottom of our 13 by 9 inch pan. Add your 6 ingredient Rocky Road chocolate bars and spread it out till you have this even layer. Now that it's looking like this and you can see those marshmallows are just starting to melt. It's going to be ooey and gooey once that chocolate sets up. Now, this is off to the refrigerator for the next 30 minutes. Just took my no-bake Rocky Road chocolate bars out of the refrigerator. Had them in there for 30 minutes. Listen to that crunch. Adults, children, love these. Just absolutely love them. All right, looky here. Ooh, on the inside, still a little warm. But if you let them sit in the refrigerator longer, they'll set up a lot better. Here goes. Yum. The peanut butter, the chocolate. And that subtle hint of butterscotch is absolutely fabulous. The crunch and the softness of those marshmallows. Fabulous. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up. Perfect for any day of the year. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Enjoy your no-bake Rocky Road chocolate bars. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.